Oi everybody, Juliana here, welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today we'll be making a super quick and simple no-bake lemon pie. A creamy lemony layer with the perfect buttery and citrus crust and a smooth and light vanilla chantilly topping. This pie can be ready in just 30 minutes, so let's bake! For this pie I like to use a 9 inches or 22 centimeters cheesecake pan, so I can demold it easily when it's done. Add a piece of parchment paper on the bottom and some no flavor oil on the sides. You can use the same large bowl for every layer, which makes this recipe quick and easy. Add 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. You can find them at your grocery store, or you can just blend some graham cookies. Half a cup of sugar. Zest of 1.5 lemons. Mix nicely so the oils from the lemon can mix in well. Add 2 good pinches of kosher salt. Then add 130 grams of melted butter. You can melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Mix everything together with a spatula and your hands until well combined. It will be very wet. Spread the crust equally all over the pan. I like to use a measuring cup to help make it even. Press it down using the cup and your hands to make the crust even all over. Bake the crust for 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. While your crust is baking, you can make the filling, which is even easier. Into a small bowl, add the zest and juice of 2 medium lemons, which will be about 80 to 100 milliliters. Separate 50 milliliters of the juice and add 1 tablespoon of no-flavored gelatin powder. Heat the rest of the juice almost to a boil in the microwave and add to it, mixing until all dissolved, and set aside. Into the large bowl, add 2 cans of condensed milk. Using the same can of condensed milk filled with heavy cream, add to the bowl, giving a mix for about 30 seconds. For this part you can use a mixer or even a blender, both work perfectly. And add the juicy mixture with the gelatin. When you add the gelatin, you will see it becoming thick quickly. Mix well until it all combined, about 1 to 2 minutes. And pour over the crust. Use a spatula to make the top even. Cover the pie and put into the fridge. This will be thick enough in about 20 minutes, and you can make the top at the same time. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing delicious recipes and food adventures. Into the same large bowl, wash it now. You will add 2 cups of cold heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and 1/4 of a vanilla bean or 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste. You can also use extract for it. Beat it until you get a chantilly texture. Bring the pie from the fridge and add the vanilla chantilly on top. You can add some decoration with a piping bag if you want. I just wanted to make it easier and faster, so it's up to you. So I just use my spatula to spread the chantilly on top. This way is rustic and also very beautiful. You can finish it with some garnishes using a lemon zest or peel. I have this shaver for lemons and oranges. I also love to use fresh mint leaves, which makes it more beautiful and brings some extra flavor. This pie has perfect layers. Each one brings a special flavor for the pie, making everything amazing together. It's almost a mousse pie, very creamy, citrusy, buttery and fresh. You really need to try this one. I hope you get excited and make your own. Let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bake Cook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.